Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Apollo.io sequences with AI personalization tools, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Apollo.io sequences with AI personalization tools, start by logging into your Apollo. Navigate to the sequences section on your dashboard. Identify the sequences you want to restore. If the sequences are archived, locate the archive option. Select the archived sequences you wish to bring back to active status. Click on the Restore button for each selected sequence. Next, open your preferred AI personalization tool. Begin the integration process between Apollo.io and the AI tool. Follow the prompts to connect your accounts securely. Once connected, import the restored sequences into the AI tool. Customize the sequences using AI-driven suggestions. Focus on personalizing subject lines and introductory messages. Utilize the AI tool to analyze your audience data. Implement insights gained from the AI tool to enhance engagement. Review the updates and modifications made by the AI. Make any final adjustments to ensure consistency with your brand voice. Save the personalized sequences within the AI tool. Return to Apollo.io and ensure all changes are reflected. Run a test campaign to evaluate the effectiveness of your restored and personalized sequences. Monitor the responses and engagement metrics closely. Iterate on the sequences as necessary based on feedback and performance data. Congratulate yourself on successfully restoring and personalizing your Apollo.io sequences using AI tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.